Did you know that the health of your mouth is directly connected to the health of your entire body? Many people struggle with bleeding gums, bad breath, sensitive teeth, and constant dental visits. But here's the shocking truth. The real cause may not be brushing or flossing. Scientists are now discovering that the key to strong teeth and gums lies in something most people never think about: the balance of good and bad bacteria in your mouth. And if that balance is off, it doesn't matter how much toothpaste you use, your dental health will continue to decline. But what if there was a simple, natural way to restore that balance and protect your teeth from the inside out? Stick with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how thousands of people are rebuilding their teeth and gums naturally, and how you can get access today through the link in the description. Here's where things get interesting. New research shows that your mouth needs beneficial probiotics. Yes, the same good bacteria we take for gut health to thrive. Without them, harmful bacteria take over, leading to tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. This is why traditional solutions like mouthwash or whitening strips don't work long-term. They only mask the symptoms. But what if you could repopulate your mouth with good bacteria every single day? That's where ProDentim comes in. ProDentim is a revolutionary probiotic formula specifically designed for oral health. Each tablet contains billions of colony-forming units of healthy bacteria, plus natural ingredients like peppermint and spearmint that freshen your breath and strengthen your gums. Imagine supporting your teeth and gums just by chewing a delicious, easy-to-use tablet daily. You can learn more and secure your supply of ProDentim through the link below. And if you act today, you'll see some amazing bonuses included. Here's what real people are experiencing with ProDentim: fresher breath that lasts all day, relief from bleeding or inflamed gums, stronger, whiter-looking teeth, and even better digestion, because your oral health is connected to your gut. Thousands of people have already switched to this simple probiotic formula instead of spending hundreds at the dentist's office every month. And the best part? ProDentim is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it with zero risk. Click the link in the description right now to check today's special offer before it's gone. So, let's recap. If you're tired of constant dental bills, struggling with bad breath, or worrying about loose teeth and gum health, then it's time to try a proven solution that works with your body, not against it. ProDentim gives your mouth exactly what it needs to restore balance, strengthen your gums, and protect your teeth for years to come. This isn't just about a better smile. It's about your overall health, your confidence, and your future. Click the link in the description to go to my landing page where you can get ProDentim at today's best price. Don't wait. Your teeth and gums will thank you. Thanks for watching, and remember, your oral health is your gateway to a healthier, happier life.